Hi there! On this video, I'll show you how to change region on Instagram. To start, open and locate your Instagram application. Once on Instagram, click on your profile and then go to Settings. Once in Settings, go to Account and then scroll down. After scrolling down, go to Switch to Professional Account. Once there, you can now just click on Next and then click on what will be described on your profile. In this example, I'll be using photographer because that's what I am. Alright, and then click on OK. Just wait for it to load. Once done, there's an option as a creator or business. For this example, I'll be using business and then click on OK. And then here, I will now update my location. Street address, city, town, and postal code. Just type in the details of your personal account. And there you go. Don't forget to add your phone number as well, because this will really determine where you're from. And then add your city or town. I'm from London, so I'm just gonna type it in here. Alright, a few more clicks, and then my postal code, I'll be adding it as well, together with my street address. And that's it. My region is now updated. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.